The Impress Puck system is a smart dosing system that assists in automatically calculating and adjusting the dose of your coffee grinds based on the last grind and tamp. Your unit will have two dosing modes, the default automatic dosing mode and the manual dosing mode. Press the manual dose button to switch between the two dosing modes. To use the Impress Puck system, set your dosing mode to the default automatic mode. If your dose light is not illuminated, ensure your hopper is not empty and the portafilter is inserted properly. Also ensure that the filter size light is consistent with the filter basket you are using to avoid underdosing or overdosing your coffee grinds. Press the filter button to switch between the two filter sizes. Press the dose button once to begin grinding. The dose button should begin to flash, indicating the grind cycle is in progress. Do not press and hold the dose button, as this will be to manually grind your coffee. If your unit has entered manual dosing mode, the dose button light will turn off. To return to automatic dosing mode, push the tamper lever down slowly to the end position. Once a grind cycle has been completed, the tamp light indicator will flash. Push the lever downward slowly to the end position. The smiley face bar on your unit indicates an ideal tamp level. An underdose grind or too little coffee grinds will be indicated when the dose level is below the ideal bar. Your unit will enter a bit more mode to add more grinds to the portafilter, indicated by the dose light flashing quickly. Press the dose button once to add more grinds to the portafilter. Then tamp your coffee when the tamp light indicator flashes. Repeat this process until the ideal dose level is achieved. Once the ideal dose level is reached, your unit will automatically update and store the auto dose time for the next grind cycle. An overdose grind or too much coffee grinds will be indicated when the dose level is above the ideal bar. To correct an overdose grind, use your razor trimming tool to remove the excess grinds. Then reinsert the portafilter and push the tamp lever downwards to the end position. Your unit will reduce the auto grind time and apply it to the next grind cycle to avoid overdosing the coffee grinds. You can also press and hold the filter button to reduce the auto grind time. Then follow the previous steps to dose your coffee until the ideal dose level is reached. The ideal dose level may need to be updated if the grind size has been changed, as the dose of the coffee grinds will differ depending on the grind size. This may also occur when using different beans, as the freshness and type of roast can affect the grind and dose. To learn more about dialing in your grind size, click on the link in the top right corner or visit our support hub for additional tips and information.